Wetin they say make baba no hear, na baba na dey settle. Try to understand this your husband. You don't already know say this your husband na Father Abraham na him be. So our Nigeria Father Abraham. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you just then get post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Many people will say Regina matter not let una live, but Regina story, Regina life story, na story wey be say e go always dey ground. You know they let live. In as much as person they try not to shook mouth put, more things just they uproot, they come out. Me I know they too like to the shook mouth put for celebrating matter, but this Regina matter and a few now still they shook my mouth put sometimes, you know. What it make me they do this video again now? Be say, you know, last time I talk and say if Regina gets something when really they bother her, now it they lay like that. No be me, I don't already know say now marriage stress, because marriage not be bed of roses. Now we not go now no, and some they not like to bring out the real truth come out. Then what the husband of Regina Daniels, and they call him Papa Yojo, he come out for Regina, he ready to expose them more. You understand? In fact, the interview when he even go, he just come that interview to come expose Regina, because Regina they disobey this man for house. That's why he come out come do that interview, and that interview he purposely do that interview as a sound warning to Regina and his mama, say if they not sit down for their chair well, he ready to expose more about them. If you listen to that voice record or that interview where he go, I go play am later. Meanwhile, Regina marriage, e just dey shake. Some people say na the seventh wife that cause am. Some say not be the seventh wife, say gbege dey for the house because of one thing or the other. And you know say not be wetin Regina expect for the marriage na e dey see. It is say marriage na the way you dey live with your papa and your mama for house, when you fit do anything you like. You know say marriage dey different. If you and somebody don dey date, the time when I take marriage, you begin to see different color. You come to say, I felt know this man before. I be not be the man where I date for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years. Now the man when me date for all these years, that mean they know how much more man will be say you dated for just 3 weeks. You never know that man. You never really know. You date man for 5 years, you don't know the man. Now when you are married, now you know the man. 3 weeks, they very, very short. Now there for blame Mama Regina. If I let the time still go from small. Anyway, not be that one carry us come. What are they try to talk here? Say Nedwokwa ready to bring out more secrets of Regina and his mama. And again, Regina they disobey her husband Papa Yojo. Nedwokwa they disobey him because you know Nedwokwa come out, come do interview. If you guys can remember, he say he no want social media wife. He no want social media life that make Regina shut her YouTube channel down. Regina not shut her down, but he private her. But right now, Regina don't open the YouTube channel. As Regina open now, me, I don't already talk and say something don't happen, because you know Nedwokwa na big man. So he come and come talk something in public, and he want that thing to stand. But because of the quarrel when they get for us, Regina tried to disobey this man. He go open that YouTube channel. Not only he open the YouTube channel, he begin to take mania. He begin want to they do like junkie. My dear Regina, he not go pay you this new life when you choose to follow. I know say they talk your matter for you. I like you. Now make me they talk your matter. I can easily do like say I not see. I like you because of the calmness in you. I like you because I see you like a small girl when you get sense. I like you because I see the way you they handle children. I see the way you they do your giveaway to the poor. Especially I love people that give to the poor no matter what. I see that in you, and you they try, you they give to the poor. You know they feel so big. you can eat with anybody, you can stay with anybody. Now only that one thing not they like you, Regina. But this kind of lifestyle where you decide to follow now, I beg you, please, Mama Regina, talk to your daughter. This lifestyle will not pay her. Regina, don't they take gbanya? If you guys can remember, now they say gbanya, then they talk say cha-cha they take. Cha-cha no here. Before you know it, they happen. You can't they say na bipolar disorder. Regina, gbanya life, it not go pay you, especially when you not do your blood. Only once when you take her, you see the way you be, you see the way you do, and you they film yourself and you they put on for social media. Why social media people no go talk after they say, hey, una not let Regina rest, this one na Regina, that one na Regina. If you not bring your matter, your story on social media, I don't believe say social media will disturb you, because they don't know what you they do. Nobody close to you not bring your matter on social media. Nobody will talk to you. So gbanya not good for you, Regina. Please go back to the kind of life you they live. Respect your husband and be with your husband. Forget all these things where you they see. No marriage is perfect. So even Samadina, if na him marry you, una go still quarrel. There is no fire without smoke. No marriage that is perfect. Don't let anybody deceive you. Not because you marry Papa Yojo. Whether na Papa Yojo, whether na your age mate you marry, wahala dey for marriage. Marriage na wetin dey follow and dey come. The most important thing na understanding. Try to understand this your husband. You don't already know say this your husband na Father Abraham. Na him be. So our Nigeria Father Abraham, cope with him. If you say one marriage join you, let her marriage join you, because you don't already know and you go meet somebody for there. If not that one be the problem, so call to him. If not be that one be the problem, say anything will be the problem. Try to make your marriage work, Regina. Don't join those people wey be say they don't want stay husband house. You don't be Mama Madu now. You don't get pikin. You not be gay again. No, I know say you are very young. You are still beautiful. You slay. You be like who never throw away one NG. But take care of your pikin and let your marriage work, because you know before you enter. If you can't live all this life, no man go carry you enter house. They go only want to suck the orange and throw away the pea. So let your marriage work no matter what. Obey your husband. Your husband is a popular somebody. He tell you shut down your YouTube channel. You shut her down, but because a quarter day you go re-honor again. That is disobedience. If you not say you not go shut her, you for not just shut her at that first time. When he tell you say shut her, you just leave her. Then he not say you not shut her down. After you don't shut her down, the man don't come social media, come brag, say now he tell you may shut her down, and you can't go open her again. That one you not good. Me I know they carry the talk celebrating matter. I say I like Regina. Now make me the talking matter. Regina can be my daughter. Yes, now many years, 20. I feel born 20 years speaking. Me I not be speaking the girl. God, I old now. Okay, my people. So let me quickly play the interview when Nedwoko do, and he still plan to do another interview. This one a small one. This one where everybody does they shout, hey, na tell you we say no, and then marry her. The next one we want to do na bomb. Nedwoko is ready to do undo. I'm not sure say you know the man when you marry. Pack well. So if you stay with your husband, you see that woman when you go meet for that Moroccan wife when you meet, as they take marry you, now so they take marry her, she's still there.
Our marriage is solid. Our marriage is based on understanding and respect. Over time, I met her and I liked her. We married within 3 weeks. Yes, within 3 weeks. I married all my wives within some period. I don't believe in dating anybody to marry them. Don't date anybody you want to marry. Marry them. When you marry them, you begin to fall in love from within the marriage. You know, even in my own culture, as it were, as a kid in the 60s, people, they were not dating. They will marry. In arranged marriages, family to family, they choose a wife And then most girls were expected to be virgins when they get married. And they build a family from there. And because they didn't know each other before they got married, there's a lot of excitement, a lot of learning to do. And but Regina and I is a story that is interesting because before I met her, I didn't know about her. I don't watch movies, never watch movies. I met her the first time when she came to my house with her mother and her siblings because my place in Delta is a tourist place. They came to look around and I liked her and that was it, you know. So whether I marry another wife or not, she knows it can happen. I come from a very polygamous environment myself. I love children, so I want more children. And she knows this, and my other wives, they also know it. So we'll see what happens in the future. Wine do everywhere. Wine do everywhere. That's why at night, a lot of them know zone 4, zone 5, zone 6. As na fabo ashawo. Obroko fa na facho ima ashawo open economy. They are doing good for them. These are the ills of the society now that your child but as a one man, one woman. Before the advent of Christianity, our tradition Igbo tradition allow for many wives and children. Of course, that determines the size of the wealth you have, isn't it? In those days, so you see, an average Northerner marrying 2, 3, 4. They're helping the women. They're helping the society. But the fallacy of it all is that yes, religion and Christianity doesn't allow that in the South, and yet the average Southern man with 10 girlfriends, you know, so you don't. The irony is so stark. I love my culture, not my culture as I know it, not as they're trying to dilute it now. You know, I love culture. Igbo culture is wonderful and should be promoted the way it has always been. But even looking at that, look at even your population in Nigeria. Just look at the economy of marriages, what I call economy of marriages. You as an Igbo man, you were one wife, and maybe you have 4 children. Onye Ugu were 4 wives. Each wife were 5 children. That's how many? 25 children. In the next 10 years, 20 years, you can look at the population. Just imagine the population of Onyugu, Ndugu, and Ndibo. What it will be in the next 20 years. The population will be like 1 to 5, isn't it? Because of the disparity. Assuming that we are the same now. I'm just saying, but we're not. The gap is getting bigger and bigger. And Igbos will never catch up because of this self-imposed restriction.
This one make me laugh, Sha. It make me laugh. Is that because of say Igbo side or say one wife, one husband? Because of that one now, their population not the many. So this my understand where the talk they go. Anyway, no say I first talk and say now Father Abraham, the Father Abraham of our time. What did me just see for inside this their marriage? Or we say Regina and the family they go in house. They say it has been like a tourist center like that. Now then for saying just saying like because now so until they marry all your wives ever since you know say. Regina na already popular person when be say you call the drag leg come out. I know say I first talk and say now Regina now they drag this man leg come out. I first do the video that time now say you know say Regina will come drag. I dey give una the real story. Watch my old video. I talk and say not be only Regina be the woman wey don marry like this, but na Regina na dey drag im leg come out every time for social media. Na Regina drag am enter social media when e come be say people wey no reach to talk to am, don come dey talk to am. So I not too much get anything to talk again, but Regina sit down well because Nedwoko is ready to come out to bring out more secrets about you and your mom. So respect this man. He's an elderly man. You know him, you know everything about him, you know say na Father Abraham, na Papa Yoyo before you marry am. So respect him. Be that proud woman. You see Celine Dion, the same thing, with almost the same thing with you and Celine Dion. You see the way Celine Dion take love the husband. I know say na only Celine Dion na the husband marry, but we be African still manage am like that. Be that proud woman like Celine Dion, and you go see am say respect go always come. The way you take dey do now, people no go respect you again, but the way you be before, people dey respect you. So stop taking gbanya so that you go gain your respect, because anybody wey don dey take gbanya, before you know wetin dey happen, na straight e go enter. No matter the money wey you go get, na straight the person dey end. You understand me? A word is enough for the wise. I don't know that I talk away me, I not cut my tongue. Thank you so much. Please, you can leave your opinion or your comment down there. What do you think about this new lifestyle when Regina decide to choose now, this gbanya life? How now? Please, if you watch this video, share this video to your social media network. Thank you. We say more do small baby, but this one not be baby. I know say people will still pick one or two things from here. Thank you, and leave your opinion down there. And see you on our next video. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your picky. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through.